everyone, we are Group 1 from MAT112 G24 and today we will be presenting our assignment on compound interest and annuity. My name is Clavera Frederick 2024753163 and with me are Nur Ashira, Salwa Anissa and Sirajuni Ferdolin. So we move to the next slide, which is case study 1. The question is, you are assigned to set up a business and need to borrow a 30,000 ringgit loan for 5 years. There are two banks that you have severed for that loan. Below are the details of the bank, which is Adriana Bank have 3.85% compounded every 4 months, while Koshari Bank is 3.47% compounded quarterly. So as we can see here, the question asks to calculate the total interest charge for each bank. To find the interest charge, we need to using the formula, the compound interest formula, which is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I power of n, where S is the total amount, P is the principal amount, which is 30,000 ringgit, K is the annual interest rate, M is the compounding frequency, and the T is long duration in year, which is 5 years. For Adriana Bank, we need to find first the Adriana Bank interest charge. So after we include all the information given, we will get the total as 36323 ringgit 0.78. So after that, we need to find the interest charge. We need to find the interest charge I equal S minus P. 36323.78 minus 30,000. So for Adriana Bank, the total interest we will get 6,323.78. We will do the same thing with the Koshari Bank. So for Koshari Bank, after we calculate all the information, we will get the total as 35657.13. We also need to find the total interest and using the same formula, which is I equal to S minus P, with the number 35657.13 minus 30,000. So we will get 565713. By comparing the interest charge by both bank, Adriana Bank charge 6,323 ringgit and 80 cent, while Koshari Bank charge 5,651 ringgit and 30 cent.
Assalamualaikum to Madam Asmia. My name is Nur Ashira. Now I want to answer case study 1, question B. So the question asks, which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A, and give your reason. I choose Kuzari Bank. As you can see here, Kuzari Bank gives a lower interest charge than Adriana Bank. Now we move to question C. The question asks, after 2 years and 9 months, the bank changed the rate to 4.5% compounded monthly. How much should you pay at the end of 5 years? Calculate the total interest paid. So, first thing first, we calculate for the end of 5 years. P equals to RM 30,000, T equals to 2 years, 9 months equals to 2.75 years, K equals to 0.0347, M equals to 12. So, on this question, you use the formula S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. So, 30,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.0347 over 4. The power of 4 is multiplied with 2.75. So we got the new P is RM 32,990.21 cent. So now we calculate for the new P. T equals to 5 divided with 2.75 equals to 2.25. K equals to 0.045, M equals to 12. So you use the same formula, which is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I the power of N. So RM 32,990.21 cents in bracket 1 plus 0.045 over 12. The power of 12 multiplied with 2.25. So we get P is RM 36,498.51 cents. Now we calculate for the total interest paid. So we use the formula I equals to S divided P. So RM 36,498.51 cents divided with RM 32,990.21 cents. So we got the answer is 305,008.30 cents.
Hi, my name is Salwa Anissa. I will make a presentation on case 2A and B. Okay, next we turn to question 2A. Which option should Siti Lala choose, and justify the answer with relevant calculation. First of all, make a formula that is A equal to R big bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K per M close bracket negative power Tm per Km per M close big bracket. And then the question 1, first choice, 30000 equal 9,000 big bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.06 per 12 bracket power negative n per per 0.06 per 12 big bracket, and then 30000 equal 9000 big bracket 1 minus bracket 1.005 bracket power negative n per 0.006 per 12 big bracket, and then 30000 per 9000 equal 1 minus bracket 1 plus 1.005 close the bracket power negative m per 0.06 per 12, and then 33.33333 equal 1 minus brackets 1.005 close the bracket power negative n per 0.006 per 12. And the next step, 33.33333 bracket 0.06 per 12 close the bracket equal 1 minus bracket 1.005 close the bracket power negative n, and then 1.666667 equal 1 minus bracket 1.005 bracket power negative n. And the next step is 1.66667 equal negative 1.005 power negative n. And then 0.66667 equal negative 1.005 per power negative n. And then negative 0.66667 equal 1.005 power negative n. And negative 0.6667 equal negative n log 1.005, and negative 0.6667 equal n log 1.005, and then we put log 0.667 per log 1.005 equal n, and the answer will be n equal 81. Okay, next we turn to the question 2b, which is the monthly payment and the interest change. First of all, we need to find the monthly payment. All we need to do is find CP, which is 20,750. DP is equal to 25%, and we subtract 0.25 minus 20,750 to get the answer. So 5,187.50. Then the remainder equals 20,750 minus 5,187.50. So the answer is 15,562.50. And N is 60, K is 12, and R is what we need to find. Next, we make the same formula with R big bracket 1 minus small bracket 1 at I close bracket negative power n per I close big bracket. So A is 50,562.5 equal to R large bracket 1 minus small bracket 4% every 12 close bracket negative power 16 every 4% every 12 large close brackets. Next, 50,562.5 is equal to R, and the answer we calculated before in parentheses we put next to R in parentheses 54.29906 at close parentheses, and we move everything on the right to the opposite side. Then let R bracket 54.29906 close the bracket equal to 50,562.5. Next step, we write 50,562.5 and move only 54.29906, so it becomes 50,562.5 times 54.29906. R remains on the left. The answer for R, which is the monthly payment, is 286.61. Finally, to find the interest change, we enter to form I is equal for NR minus A. Let me equal 60 brackets 286.61 minus 50,562.5. So the answer for interest change is 1,634.1.
Hello, Madam Hasmia. I'm Shirazuni binti Fredolin, 2024569021. Now, I'll explain about case study 2, question C. 1. The question is, if she wants to sell all of the loan immediately after paying the 30 monthly payment, how much additional payment does she have to make? The formula is A equal R multiplied by the fraction open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus K over M raised to the power of negative dm close bracket divided by K over M. And the value insert is 286.61 multiplied by the fraction open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12 raised to the power of negative 2.5 times 12 close bracket divided by 0.04 divided by 12. And the final answer is RM 8169.42. Next is case study 2, question C 2. The question is, how much interest is paid? The formula is I equals TMR minus A. Value insert 30 multiplied by 286.61 minus 8169.42. And the final answer is RM 428.88. And the last question is question case study 2D. And the question is, if she has not paid her first 5 monthly payment, how much should she pay on her 6th payment to settle all outstanding arrears? And the formula is S equals R multiplied by the fraction open bracket 1 plus k over m raised to the power of m minus 1 close bracket divided by k over m. Value insert is 286.61 multiplied by the fraction open bracket 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12 raised to the power of 6 minus 1 close bracket divided by 0.04 divided by 12. And the final answer is RM 1734.05.
Thank you.